Oh, hi everyone. I'm that person who does things on the internet. And I got some news. I'm going to actually be going on hiatus for about 2 to 4 weeks because Sly and myself, we currently live in Korea and we're from Canada. And we've been in Korea for many years. And now we're finally moving our butts back to Canada. So we're not just flying, we're moving all of our stuff. And for those of you who don't know what it's like to move during the pandemic, it's not fun. We were planning to move before the pandemic, and then the pandemic happened and made everything exponentially more complicated and expensive. But, you know, time goes on, and that's what we have to do. And basically, this week, we are going to be flying out and having to deal with a moving company, packing up all of our stuff and shipping it to Canada. And then once we arrive in Canada, we're going to have to do a mandatory hotel quarantine followed by a regular quarantine. And so hence why we're probably not going to be back for anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, but we could be back earlier. So just a quick update, YouTube itself should be relatively unaffected. So I should be still having some videos that will be uploading. This is one of them. And also, if you're really, in for some conversational content, I really recommend checking out Virtual Offline. Virtual Offline is, yes, another podcast. However, there's 3 of us, and sometimes we have a guest, and we're all tracked, and we're all in the same virtual space in 3D. I think it's pretty neat. And we talk about various VTuber / streaming related stuff. I'll leave a link for that down below if you wanted to check that out. But yes, anyways, I wish everyone a safe and healthy August. And thanks everyone for your support. And I'll see you in a couple weeks.